India became the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the Moon when its Chandrayaan-3 lander and rover touched down near the lunar South Pole in August. Linked in a small but significant way to that historic achievement is little-known Kaynes Technology India, an electronics manufacturer headquartered in Mysore, a city close to the tech hub of Bangalore. Kaynes supplied electronic systems that were used to power both the rover and the lander during the successful mission. Shares of the company, which had already trebled since its debut on the Bombay Stock Exchange in November 2022, gained another 40% after its role in the Moon mission became public, making founder Ramesh Kunhikannan, 60, a billionaire. His estimated net worth is now $1.1 billion, derived largely from his 64% stake in Kaynes. The company, which gets more than half of its $137 million annual revenue from manufacturing printed circuit board assemblies, is a supplier of electronic systems and design services to a raft of industries, from automotive and aerospace to medical and defense. Kaynes products are used in everything from electronic controls in electric vehicles to ventilators and railway signals. The electronics industry is still at a very nascent stage in India, says Rajeev Khushu, former chairman of the India Electronics and Semiconductor Association, an industry group. But Kaynes started very early. It stayed in India and invested in India at a time when most people went outside. It was a niche player, but it stuck with the vision and is benefiting from that. Thanks to the increasing use of electronics across industries, the company's annual revenue has nearly tripled from $49 million in fiscal 2020, while net profit has risen tenfold over the same period to reach $11.4 million in the fiscal year ended March. Revenue for the 6 months ended September was up 39% to $78 million, with net profit jumping 84% to $7 million. The company expects revenue to come in at $208 million in the fiscal year ended March 2024. As a key domestic player with 9 factories, Kaynes Technology is poised to benefit from India's fast-rising $18 billion revenue, electronic system design and manufacturing (ESDM) market. The industry is projected to grow fourfold to $73 billion by 2027, according to consulting firm Frost Sullivan. This is expanding at a faster clip than the global ESDM industry, which was forecast to clock revenue of $1.15 trillion by 2026 from $880 billion as of 2021. As per Frost & Sullivan. With its strong order book, revenue growth at Kaynes is expected to outpace the industry, note Sumant Kumar and meet Jain, analysts at Mumbai investment firm Motilal Oswal in a November report. The duo project that the company's revenue and net profit will grow at an annual compounded rate of 41% and 56%, respectively, over the next 3 years.